Hi, in front of me is LG K50S, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off this device location. Firstly, open Tab menu. Now find location icon and click on it. Location is now turned off. You can turn it back on by clicking on the same icon. But you can also go into settings, scroll down, click on location, and manage it over here by clicking on the switcher to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!